Ever fancied a career in capital equipment manufacturing? What is manufacturing? Think of the almost unimaginable. A world without manufactured products. No cell phones, tablet computers, or computer games. Heavy capital equipment produced by the manufacturing industry enables mines to exploit our natural resources, the automotive industry to produce cars, and the aerospace industry to build aircraft. The capital equipment manufacturing industry is varied and also covers a number of other industrial sectors such as food, beverage, medical, petrol, oil and gas, as well as paper and pulp, just to mention a few. The South African Capital Equipment Export Council, or SACEEC, is an institution that aims to grow the South African manufacturing industry and encourage exports and promote and develop local manufacturing, which will in turn improve job creation and skills development. The Council promotes the manufacturing of capital equipment products in South Africa with locally produced castings, forgings and materials. The South African Capital Equipment Export Council now brings you the Discover Your Career in the Capital Equipment Manufacturing Industry initiative to highlight interesting careers in the versatile capital equipment manufacturing environment. So why is the Council talking to you? It has been tasked by the Gauteng government to identify the skills that are necessary to sustain and grow the capital equipment manufacturing industry in South Africa and to develop a model for the upgrading of skills development in the sector. Technically trained people in the manufacturing industry are called artisans. They are trained and tested individuals who work with their hands. How do you become an artisan? To qualify as an artisan, a candidate needs to do an apprenticeship that includes theory, practical experience, and on-the-job training. In addition to training offered by community colleges and technical schools, apprentices also enroll at Technical Vocational Education and Training or TVET colleges. These colleges offer programs for specific trades or skill sets. Large companies and government offer apprenticeships. Apprentices earn a wage while they train. The time it takes to qualify can vary. To conclude their training, apprentices do a trade test to obtain a national qualifying certificate. To enter the SACEEC apprenticeship program, most member companies require candidates to have grade 12 level maths, English, engineering, graphics and design, and mechanical technology of at least 60%. Career opportunities are available to skilled people in the capital equipment manufacturing industry in a number of categories. Specialists in tooling and machining are called machinists or tool, jig and die makers, and they work with computerized and manual production equipment. A second category comprises millwrights and fitters who work as industrial maintenance specialists, while artisans in the boilermaker category work in the field of pressure vessel or general fabrication. Artisans in the coded welder category are trained in specialized welding techniques, while the technical sales staff category is responsible for marketing and technical client liaison. Tooling and machining. What is a machinist? Machinists manufacture steel components used in the manufacturing of capital equipment such as heavy equipment for, amongst others, the mining and infrastructure development sectors. Machinists are also employed in the automotive, aerospace and marine industries, as well as a number of other sectors where machinery are manufactured. Machinists operate different types of computerized and manual production machines to manufacture components. They ensure that parts meet required specifications and measurements. If you want the type of job that requires working with your hands, programming computer numerically controlled or CNC equipment, or just the accurate measuring and physical skills for manual machining, then this could be a career for you. Is this career suited for you? Machinists are mathematically minded, good with their hands, detail-orientated, and hard-working. Tool, jig, and die maker. What is a tool, jig, and die maker? The job of a tool, jig, and die maker is to create machine tools and dies used in the manufacturing process of virtually all manufacturing products, ranging from vehicle components to plastic bottles. They design machine tools and use blueprints to plan how to make machine tools, jigs, and dies. They use gauges and measuring devices to ensure that tools meet required specifications. If you consider yourself a creative and innovative person when working with your hands, then tool, jig, and die making may be the career path for you. Is this career suited for you? Tool, jig, and die makers need to be mathematically minded, detail-orientated, accurate, creative, and innovative with a good ability to do manual work. Industrial maintenance. What is a millwright? Millwrights are known by a number of names such as electromechanician, ground electromechanician, machine tool millwright, or a printer's mechanic. Millwrights are craftsmen or specialized tradesmen. They install, maintain, and repair stationary industrial machinery and mechanical equipment. They may work on production machines and electronic control gear and are usually employed by the private manufacturing industry or parastatals such as Eskom or Saceec. Millwrights interpret drawings, dismantle machines or electrical motors to diagnose malfunctions and carry out the necessary repairs. They install new machines and carry out all scheduled services. Are you suited for this career? Millwrights are mechanically minded, self-confident, able to deal with pressure, accurate with good hand-eye coordination, and strategic. Fitter. What is a fitter? Fitters maintain and repair many different kinds of machines. They are highly skilled craftspeople who assemble and fit machine components. They monitor the service cycles of machines and use blueprints to ensure that the correct parts are fitted. Are you suited for this career? Fitters are mathematically and mechanically minded, good at working with their hands, able to take exact measurements and work accurately. Boilermaker. What is a boilermaker? Boilermakers are specialized fabricators. They work in the engineering manufacturing industry and make capital equipment, boilers, engines, and high-pressure vessels. They can be employed in factories, power stations, including nuclear power stations, on oil rigs, fuel refineries, chemical plants, mines, in the shipbuilding industry, and in engineering metal fabrication. Boilermakers are highly skilled, accurate, and have an ability to understand geometry and technical drawings. Is this a career suited for you? Boilermakers are team workers, good with their hands, detail-orientated, organized, competent with technical drawings. Coded welder. What is a coded welder? Welders work with metal and know its strengths and weaknesses. Welding is the process of joining pieces of metal together. Heat is applied to metal pieces and this causes the metals to bond together. Welding is used in shipbuilding, automotive manufacturing and repair, aerospace applications, and thousands of other manufacturing activities. If you like the idea of working with metal, then welding may be the career path for you. Is this career suited for you? Welders are physically strong with an ability to work in hot and difficult environments, accurate and focused. Technical sales representative. What does a technical sales representative do? Technical sales representatives liaise with new and existing customers to discuss their needs and to explain how these needs could be met by specific products and services. They respond to customers' questions about products, prices, availability, product uses and credit terms, and liaise with production departments. They prepare quotations and assist with the preparation of tender documents. Technical sales representatives prepare sales contracts for orders obtained and submit orders for processing. They can also provide inputs for external marketing drives such as advertising campaigns, media liaison, and trade shows. Is this a career suited for you? Technical sales representatives are people-orientated with good interpersonal communication skills. They are also technically minded with a thorough product knowledge. They are creative and good at project and financial management. The manufacturing environment is versatile and dynamic and offers a wide range of interesting, stimulating, and rewarding career opportunities. As the future of the South African economy hinges largely on manufacturing as a growth stimulator, manufacturing is expected to grow in output and technological sophistication. Consider your career option in manufacturing today. For more details, visit our website on www.saceec.com.